So this is called Tokyo Drift. We basically looking to drift out of the Asian session, very early hours of London. So what we look for is, we obviously look on the 8 hour time frame. This is where you start off, and this is the Asian session here. So the Asian session starts at 10 p.m. or this 8 hour candle and ends at 6 a.m. So you want to mark using the horizontal ray tool. You want to mark, which is in this top corner here on TradingView, horizontal ray here. So you want to mark the top and you want to mark the bottom. This is on the 8 hour time frame. This strategy works very well on Euro JPY and GBP JPY. So then you want to go onto the 5 minute time frame. Now I'm just got this on replay mode so you guys can have a look at it. What we're looking for here is a very early break to the downside and then a continuation to the upside. Obviously, potentially we could mark, if we wanted to mark a key level up, something like maybe 64750 as something that we could potentially tap into. So what we're looking for, like I said, is a break, and then you want to close above. As soon as you get a close above, you can enter, and I'll explain why. So we obviously got our break. This is our fake out here. So what this is going to do, let me just delete these arrows, is it's going to lure everybody into trying to sell this trade, right? It's a very good market trick. There'll be a lot of people looking to do something like this, all right? But obviously we know there's a very high percentage early London Tokyo drift strategy kicks in and you get something like this, all right? So as soon as this candle here closes, you want to enter. And what I would do, I normally have stops below, so I have a 20 pip stop loss and a 40 pip take profit. That's a 1 to 2. Okay, so that is what we're kind of looking for here. And then what we can do, I'll speed up the process so it doesn't take too long, is we then see this continuation happen here, as you can see, very nicely. There we go. Look at that, just tapped our take profit. And then continued to the downside. Now, you could have obviously had a smaller stop loss if you wanted, maybe a 15 pip, and obviously just targeted this key level here. But as you can see here, perfect 20 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit. This is the Tokyo Drift strategy. We use strategies like this all the time in the VRP channel that I run. It's Monday to Friday. You get direct access to me. And yeah, it's working very well. So this is just one of the strategies that we use. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, like the video and subscribe, because I'm going to be handing out a lot more free content.